This is topic 4-6. First we're going to find the perimeter of this rectangle. To do that I have to add up all four sides. So I've got x plus 3. Now I've got that twice, here and here. I'm going to add it here. And I've got x plus 8 twice. So when I add all these up, right here I get 22, and here I get 4x. Remember there's a 1 in front of each of these x's, so it's 4x plus 22. That is my perimeter. Pretty simple. Okay, area is just something we've done before. We're going to use the box method to multiply. Area of a rectangle means base times height. So I'm going to multiply these two together using my box. So x times x gives me x squared. Here we've got 3x, 8x, and 24. So I add my diagonals whenever I'm taking things out. X squared plus 11x plus 24. That's my area. Okay, let's check the next example. Okay, this one's a little bit tougher, but it's stuff that we've done. All we have to do is use the picture to tell us the story of what to do. So we're talking about a fish pond, and it's surrounded by a brick wall. We need to find the area of this brick wall. So in order to do that, I'm going to find the area of the entire thing, and then I'm going to subtract the area of the inside rectangle. So for the outside rectangle, I've got to use my box to find base times height. X plus 4, 2x plus 4. I multiply these together, I get 2x squared, 4x, 8x, and 16. I take them out, I get 2x squared plus 12x plus 16. So that's the area of the entire region. To give you a better idea, I'll shade it in. This is everything, okay? So now we need to find just the area of the triangle. So I'm going to find, sorry, I didn't mean triangle, of the inside rectangle. So that's base times height, 2x times x. Alright. 2x times x gives me 2x squared. So that's the area of this right here. So we just cut that hole out, and we got this. So if this equation right here was the whole thing, and this right here was the inside, I'm going to subtract it. 2x squared. So 12x plus 16 is what is left over, and that is the area of the red shaded portion, the brick wall that is surrounding the fish pond. Okay, let's move on to the next example, and we'll end with example 3 today. He wants to find the volume of the box below. Well, if you look at your tax chart, volume is capital B times H. Don't be fooled. The capital B really means area. We use B because it's area of the base. Alright? So we need to identify our base here. Our base is this bottom portion right here. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and shade it in. Our base is that rectangle, and so area of the base, we got to multiply length times width. So I'm going to have to use a box again to do this. 3x plus 1, 2x minus 1. So 2 times 3 is 6x squared. 3 times negative 1 gives me the negative 3x. Here is 2x, and down here we've got negative 1. So I'm going to add my diagonals when I take it out. 6x squared minus 1x minus 1. Okay, that is B. H then. H is my height. So whenever I'm talking about H, we're talking about right here. That's how tall this thing is. Alright? So I'm going to do base times height. So here's my base. H equals x. So if I multiply those together, I've got x times 6x squared minus 1x minus 1. So I've got to distribute the x to all three things. So I'll get 6x cubed minus 1x squared minus 1x. And that is the answer for the volume of the box. Okay, this has been lesson 4-6, and I hope it's been helpful.